I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Fortnite and going straight to Settings. This puts controls where you can change behavior immediately. Once done, choose the Controller or Input tab so you see firing and aim options. You want to find Auto Fire, Auto Equip, or similar toggles because different platforms label it differently. Make sure to pause other changes. You're focusing only on the Auto Fire related entries, so you can change them precisely without altering sensitivity or keybinds accidentally. Now you'll modify the core settings. Toggle Auto Fire on or off, then check secondary options like activation distance or delay if the menu shows them. You do this because toggling alone may not match your playstyle. Adjusting distance prevents unwanted shots at long ranges, while delay controls responsiveness. After applying one change, test it immediately in a creative island or a quick match so you can feel the difference and iterate. Don't move on until firing behaves as you expect. Finish by saving settings and returning to play. That commits your auto-fire choices. If changes don't apply, restart Fortnite or your device because cached configs sometimes block updates. Should issues persist, reset input presets or update/reinstall controller drivers. This fixes mismatched inputs. Also verify platform-specific features. Console menus and PC overlays can override in-game toggles. If you still have trouble, disable third-party input software and retry. That usually resolves conflicts without further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.